Welcome back to another episode of Word Power in English. Here Rajesh Warrior. Hi friends, today we are going to learn the difference between two simple words in English, shut and close. You know the meaning of these words, shut and close. Both these words can be used in almost all situations, no problem. But there are certain situations in which you cannot use both words. Okay, the doors open and close automatically. See this sentence, the doors open and close automatically. See another sentence, I closed my eyes against the bright light. I closed my eyes against the bright light. See one more sentence, would you mind if I closed the window? Would you mind if I closed the window? Clear? It is the way the word close is used. You can close and shut your eyes. There is no problem, friends. You can close and shut your eyes. You can say either close or shut. You can close and shut your mouth, no problem. You can close and shut your doors, no problem. You can close and shut your windows, no problem. Shut your mouth. See the expression? Shut your mouth. It is a rude way of telling something to somebody. Clear? Don't say like that. There is a difference in the tone. Shut your mouth. It's a rude way of telling somebody to be quiet. Clear? Shut yourself away. That means please go away somewhere where you will be alone. Please don't be here. Clear? Shut yourself away. And there is another situation in which we say shut down. Shut down. The company is shut down. What do you mean by that? That means the company is in a crisis. It is the act of closing that company. Clear? Shut down. And shut can suggest more noise. The word shut can suggest more noise. There are phrases like slammed shut, banged shut, snapped shut. Clear? The shop is closed or shut today. But shut is not used in front of a noun. That is very, very important. The word shut is not used in front of a noun. We never say a shut window. We say a closed window. We never say a shut door. We say a closed door. Clear? Another important situation, you have to note it very carefully, friends. In case of a meeting or conversation, we never say shut. We use the word close. The meeting is closed. Clear? And one more situation that is very important, very, very important. We never say the road is shut. We say the road is closed. We never say the airport is shut. We say the airport is closed. So when you say the road and airport, use the word closed. Clear? That's all for today's session. Thank you. Thank you very much.